In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this cash rain effect starting from a photo using Higgsfield AI. Let's begin. Go to the Higgsfield website. There's going to be a link in the description for that, and here head over to video and then you have Create Video. Click here to change the effect, and in this bar browse for the Minimax Hailuo model, where you want to type in the search bar money rain. And let's select this effect. Now we can upload a start frame, and optionally, you can also add an end frame if you want the generation to depend on that. For the Minimax model, we can select the duration and the resolution, and then click Generate. In the meantime, let's try out with another photo. Let's open this one up. Now we can have a look at the results for the first one. As you can see, it added motion, and the money rain effect looks pretty seamless. While the second one is loading, let's try out with a third photo so we can have more examples. I'll pick this one. And now let's check out the result for the second one. It's again really nicely integrated in the video. And here's the last one. Again, if you want to check out Higgsfield, there is a link in the description for that. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Visit the Creative Society website for more design resources and music. If you want to continue learning, check out this other video on the screen. Thank you, and see you next time.
This is Creative Society.